Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Malik Ahmed Hassan and I welcome you all to another episode of Behind the Desk with me. We had our first episode with the ASL lab and it went very well and I hope that you guys also enjoyed it. Today we are very fortunate that the LWL lab and the representative that we have with us from that lab is Muzna Amina. I would like to welcome you Muzna. Thank you so much for taking out the time. पहले तो मुझे बताएं आप खैरियत से सब कुछ खैर है?
Alhamdulillah.
Acha, I will begin with a very formal question and very general question, because then we will structure the conversation into that direction. I will begin with what exactly is the nature of work that you guys are getting in at the LWL lab.
So the legal writing lab is basically, it was made 2 years ago to fulfill this gap
Right.
that we had कि जो law students हैं उनको legal writing specifically के लिए guidance नहीं मिल रही थी.
Hmm.
तो हमारा basically काम यही है कि we have to guide students in terms of legal writing.
Right.
तो इसके अंदर आ जाता है collaborations with instructors, which means कि instructors will reach out to us और हम उनकी किसी assignment में उनकी help करेंगे and it will be a graded component that the
Right.
students will have to come and get their assignments checked from us. हम वैसे भी students को consultations देते हैं and consultations में they can talk about anything, they can give us their assignments, they can give us their ideas and we can just help them structure them और हम उनको help कर देते हैं citations में, grammar में, overall structure करने में अपनी assignment को, format वगैरह में भी.
Right.
And then we also do workshops. So we go to different classes और हम वहाँ पे students को legal research और legal writing की थोड़ा सा एक demo दे देते हैं.
That's interesting. So, but this workshop ज़्यादातर don't see वो limited होंगी towards the law school, right?
Yes.
तो मतलब you don't go to the classes WNC वगैरह में जैसे हम देखते हैं कि ASL वगैरह जाते हैं. You only restricted to the law school, right?
We
Is that
restricted to the law school क्योंकि we restricted to legal writing.
Right. So I had a question about the nature of the influence that the faculty has on the AWL. Say UK, on the LWL. So because we have seen in ASL, उन्होंने ये बताया था कि अब उनके आहिस्ता आहिस्ता they have become very independent in terms of how they are going to grade, how they are going to check. और पहले था थोड़ा सा उनका check and balance का system था from the instructors वगैरह. But what about the LWL? Is there any sort of influence that you guys get from the faculty or is it completely working independently? How is that working?
So the faculty at the law school has been very kind. They're
Right.
very, very supportive. बहुत ज़्यादा interference किसी की भी नहीं है. When we had our open day last year, तो lots of instructors visited us और उनके साथ हमारी conversation basically यही थी कि if we ever need help, they're more than happy to lend any sort of support to us. और यही होता है if we ever have any questions that we need answered, so the instructors are there to help us. उसके अलावा we are very independent. There's not a lot of interference by anyone, not the faculty, not the admin. They put a lot of trust in us and we're very grateful for that also.
Right. So बताया मैं अपनी टीम के बारे में. What does your team constitute upon? How many people are working in the LWL और क्या आपका मतलब working dynamics क्या होते हैं?
So since the start इसी तरह के हमारे पास 4 लोग होते हैं
सही.
और एक अनऑफिशियल सा रूल बन गया है कि 2 सुपर सीनियर्स होंगे और 2 सीनियर्स होंगे. तो अभी आई एम द सुपर सीनियर who's carried on from last year, so I was there last year as well. And then we have Amna Mohsin, and
Right.
then we have 2 seniors, Azaz Arif and Mahanur.
Wow, सही. So what about the workload? How do you guys really manage the workload? Because considering that you are also a student of the university and taking this as a full time, because it's a full time kind of a thing, क्योंकि आपको एक जॉब के तरीके से इसको चलाना पड़ते हैं. There are like office hours जो आपने maintain करने, you have to be there and help students. तो वो आप किस तरीके से manage वगैरह करते हैं? Is it difficult? Do you find it difficult? या आप you get by? Because I know you are a very brilliant student, तो आप तो शायद manage कर लेते होंगे. But someone like me who probably is thinking to apply to LWL, how do you think we can navigate through this?
Thank you. Maha, Azaz and Amna are brilliant also और वो भी मैनेज कर लेते हैं. बेसिकली हमने इस तरह डिवाइड किया हुआ अपना काम कि हम वीकली अपने जो ऑफिस आवर्स हमने किए हुए हैं वो we have 6 to 7 hours at the lab per week.
Right.
और वो हमारा यूजुअली इट्स नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट, लेकिन एक पॉइंट आता है इन द सेमेस्टर के मतलब फाइनल्स आर नियर बाय और मिड्स आर नियर बाय और हमारे पास वर्कलोड थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाता है, स्पेशली इफ वी हैव अ कोलैबोरेशन गोइंग ऑन विद एन इंस्ट्रक्टर, क्योंकि तब तो पीपल हैव साइंड अप फॉर स्लॉट्स और उन्होंने आना ही आना है, वरना वी यूजुअली इनकरेज वॉक-इन्स. वी ऑल्सो गेट क्वेरीज बाय ईमेल. तो कभी कभी पीपल वांट टू हैव एन ऑनलाइन मीटिंग ऑल्सो, तो वो हम अपने आवर्स के अंदर नहीं करते, हम जब भी जो भी कर सके हम कर लेते हैं, तो दैट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर अस. वो मैनेज हो जाता है विद आवर वर्कलोड. समटाइम्स ऐसा होता है यू आर सिटिंग इन द लैब बट यू डोंट हैव
लॉट ऑफ वर्क, तो आप अपना काम
तो
करना
आप
शुरू
अपना काम करते हैं. एग्जैक्टली. एंड इट्स अ वेरी नाइस स्पेस जहाँ पे हम बैठ जाते हैं. वी कैन चार्ज आवर फोन्स एंड बहुत कंफर्टेबली वहाँ पे बैठ के
हमें बल्कि आप बता दें अपने ऑफिस की लोकेशन वगैरह भी, बिकॉज इफ समवन वांट्स टू कम टू योर ऑफिस, वेयर कैन वी फाइंड यू गाइस?
So our office is room number 23 on the second floor of the law school. Faculty wing, if you
Second
go
floor law
into the
school.
faculty wing, it's the second room from the right.
Right, सही हो गया. And what's the process to become part of the LWL? Do you guys entertain applications, या कब इनकी वो applications वगैरह खोलती हैं? What is the process through which you guys got into the LWL? वो क्या है?
So around May हमारी applications खुल जाती हैं. So this is a 3-step process.
Right.
So the first step is कि you have to fill a Google form. इसमें basic information होती है, your CGPA, you have to submit a writing sample, what is your motivation for becoming the part of the LWL, and also like what do you bring to the table, right? Because almost everyone at the law school is
Likes to write
equipped
in
with
one way,
these.
huh?
Yeah, so everyone kind of develops those skills. So like why do you think you have the teaching capabilities also which you need to be part of the LWL? तो पहला पार्ट तो ये होता है.
Right.
फिर सेकंड जो है we shortlist और फिर उसकी बेसिस पे सेकंड also we ask for past experience in मतलब if you've TA'd a course, if you've done an internship, that could be beneficial.
Right.
Because the point is कि आप as a senior अपने juniors को guide कर सको, right? तो we look at that also.
No.
उसके बाद we shortlist, और फिर जो shortlisted students होते हैं they're given an assignment, so they have to frame issue statements, which I think law students को पता होगा क्या होता है, memo में होता है. So they have to do that. उससे बस we can gauge के इनकी basic legal writing की skill कैसी है.
So issue statements के बारे में थोड़ा हमें बताएं कि issue statements से what do you exactly mean? Because there will be a lot of students who will be first year law students or second year, so they're not probably aware of what exactly are issue statements. तो वो क्या होती हैं?
So issue statements
Briefly.
are basically when you're writing a memo, which is when you're detailing a case in terms of facts, issues जो court ने handle किए थे, the questions basically that were answered. And then what the reasoning of the court was and what conclusion it reached. So जो issue statements होती हैं उनका एक certain format होता है because they're answering a question of law. So we give them basically a fact pattern और उसके अंदर से they can, and it's very brief, it's very easy, they can just frame issue statements. और उसको हम यही देखते हैं कि उनको मतलब basic format पता है और उनकी grammar कैसी है and like do they have writing style. That's basically what we're checking for. और जिनका वो हो जाता है then they have an interview with us and the faculty has final say on who gets selected into the LWL.
Perfect. So अभी तक तो मेरे ख्याल में हमने we have really kept the conversation very formal. So if we get into the informal things that you guys get to do together, मतलब किस तरह का आपका environment होता है? Any particular instance that you would like to share with us here today? For example, जब आप कोई presentation देने गए हो class के अंदर, anything that you can remember, कोई fun anecdote, कुछ भी जो मतलब हम इसमें add कर सकें.
So the best part of being in the LWL is sharing the office space because we have a very nice office और वहाँ पे
एक पर्सनल स्पेस आपके पास है, आप जो मर्जी करें आराम से बैठे हैं.
और काफ़ी दफ़ा ऐसा होता है कि दो लोग सेम टाइम बैठे होते हैं, मतलब बिटवीन क्लासेस हम जाके बैठ जाएंगे even if it's someone else's office hours. And if the students not there तो we get to talk a lot और काफ़ी मतलब मज़ा आता है. So last year Marha used to be leading the lab और वो उससे पहले की थी. So Marha is one of the first tutors that lab had.
Right.
तो Marha बैठी होती थी. I used to have a lot of fun with Marha and the super seniors. They've all graduated now. इस साल हमारी जो टीम है, हमारे ऑफिस आवर्स किसी के भी मतलब वो नहीं करते, overlap नहीं करते, but we do sometimes get to sit together.
Right. So this is your second year at the
This
LWL.
is my second year at the LWL. लेकिन बाकी तीनों का first है. So something interesting that happened was कि एजाज की बर्थडे थी और उसका मैंने बोर्ड पे लिख दिया. So we have a very nice whiteboard वहाँ पे. So मैंने happy birthday एजाज लिख दिया and I made a very silly illustration of all of us. हम चारों के मैंने faces बनाए थे and I'm not an artist. So it was really bad. और उसके बाद एजाज चला गया और एजाज didn't realize कि उसका हैप्पी बर्थडे लिखा हुआ वहाँ पे and then later Dean Sadaf came in and she looked at the board and she didn't say anything. बस वो हंस के चली गई और वो भी सोची होंगी इन्होंने क्या आर्ट वर्क किया अपनी वॉल पे.
सही है. And if I had to ask you, what would be the major takeaway for you for serving in the LWL for 2 years now? What have you learned as a person yourself, as a student? क्या आपके लिए learning experience रहा है?
So when I came into the LWL मुझे यही feel हुआ था कि it's very much needed because when you become a junior at the law school you suddenly so you had 2 years of BA. आपने बिल्कुल अपनी मर्जी के courses दिए and now you have to take all law
all law
courses.
courses, वो क्या कहते हैं, टेक्स्ट बुक सारी, ब्लैक
Yeah.
लेटर लॉ और वो सब, बिल्कुल.
और genuine आपके एक point पे you're like ये हुआ क्या है मेरे साथ.
ओहो.
So I felt
I've
like
been
that
through this.
guidance was very much needed. So I went to the LWL अपने time पे. उसके बाद when I became part of the LWL, I did feel like I was very like it was an honor for me कि मैं लोगों को help कर पा रही हूँ. मतलब students आते थे consultation के लिए, तो 20 मिनट consultation होती थी, 10 मिनट बस like उनको मैं तसल्ली दे रही होती थी कि it's okay, it's gonna be fine. So I think that was the best part of being in the LWL क्योंकि आप as a senior, the best thing that you can do is make things easier for people that are coming in after you. So getting the opportunity to do that was great for me.
Right. And because I think we are running out of time, and I would like you to give us the last message that you would like to give to the students, not just as a member or as a representative of the LWL, but as someone who came to LAMS, didn't have a lot of people to interact with, just law student, और ख़ास करके लॉ स्कूल के लिए तो मुझे पता है बड़ा ही होता है कि आप पहले जाते हैं BA जैसा आपने बताया, और completely lost, you don't find your people, but still you navigate through. तो वो अगर आप experience share करें and some words of advice that you would like to give, because especially considering that you are now a super senior and you will be graduating in less than 2 months from now,
Yeah.
तो क्या advice आप देंगी to a fresh man who has just entered into the campus?
Don't restrict yourself. Try to have as many different types of experiences as you can, especially when it comes to courses. मतलब obviously extracurriculars maybe do whatever you can, but courses में don't be scared of things that you don't know. Intimidate नहीं होना किसी चीज़ से. Take courses that challenge you.
Right.
And when you enjoy something, definitely take it. आप ये नहीं सोचो कि आपका grade आएगा कि नहीं आएगा, because when you're enjoying a course, आपका grade आ जाता है. So just take courses that really excite you. And keep learning, because like इस तरह की learning opportunities वैसे नहीं मिलती, so just make the most out of them.
Right. This is coming from a DHL holder, तो मैं कहूँगा आप इनकी advice को लाजमी गौर से सुनिएगा. And with that, I would like to conclude today's episode. Please like, comment and share. Take care. Allah Hafiz.